Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 1 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 6, Professions, and our topic of today's lesson is prepositions. Syllables of this lesson are: recognize the use of prepositions. First, we will discuss what are the prepositions. You have learned the concept of preposition in your previous lessons too, of your previous chapter. So, this is a revision of this topic. Let me tell you what are the prepositions. A preposition is a part of speech that shows the relationship between two things, and it also shows the direction of nouns, where the nouns or things are. Preposition क्या है? पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है और किस चीज को शो करता है? रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू थिंग्स. दो नाउन या टू थिंग्स के दरमियान जो रिलेशन होता है वो शो करता है, और डायरेक्शन भी शो करता है कि कौन सी चीज या कौन सा नाउन किस डायरेक्शन में है, कौन सी जगह पर है. लेट मी गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स. द कैटरपिलर इज ऑन द एप्पल. कैटरपिलर क्या है? ये है, और ये आपका एप्पल हो गया. अब क्या है? कैटरपिलर आपको दिख रहा है कि वो एप्पल के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. द टू आइटम्स आर द कैटरपिलर्स एंड एप्पल. द preposition shows the relationship of the two items. टू आइटम्स कौन कौन से? एक आपका कैटरपिलर हो गया और एक आपका एप्पल हो गया. द कैटरपिलर इज ऑन द एप्पल. Therefore, on is the preposition here. Yes. Your full sentence is caterpillar is on the apple. Caterpillar and apple is the noun, and there is a relationship between them, and it also shows the direction of two nouns. On आपका क्या है? preposition हो गया. ये relationship को show कर रहा है between two nouns, और direction को भी show कर रहा है कि caterpillar जो कि noun है वो किधर है. It's on the apple. You can see here. So here the on is preposition. This is another example. The caterpillar is beside the apple. In this sentence, beside is what? Yes, a preposition. Beside means uske saath mein. You can see apple is here and caterpillar is here. Caterpillar ab kidhar hai? Apple ke saath hai. The two items are the caterpillars and the apple. The preposition shows the relationship of the two items. The caterpillar is beside the apple. Therefore, beside is the preposition here. Now, the caterpillar crawled through the apple. The two items are the caterpillar and apple. The preposition shows the relationship of the two items. The caterpillar crawled through the apple. Therefore, the through is the preposition here. You can see the caterpillar crawled through the apple. दूसरी साइड पर है एप्पल के. तो यहां आपका जो थ्रू है वो क्या है? preposition है. Yes. This is a list of prepositions here: about, before, from, on, under, above, behind, in, out, with, after, beneath, into, over, among, beside, like, through, around, between, near, to, along, by, of, up, at, down, of, upon. Let me give you some examples by using these prepositions here. The book is on the table. Here, the two items are book and table, two nouns here, and on is here what? Yes, a preposition here. The girl is in the class. Here, the girl and class are two noun, and in here what? Yes, a preposition. It is telling you that girl is in the class. Boy hiding behind the tree. Here I used this preposition here. Boy hiding behind the tree. Boy and tree are two nouns here and behind is our preposition here. दरख्त के पीछे क्या है? लड़का छुप रहा है. And it also shows the direction of noun, where the nouns are. I am at school. Here the at is what? Yes, preposition here. So, this is an activity here. The pie in the oven is my brother's. Which is the preposition in the sentence above? Pie, oven, and our brothers. Here we have two nouns or three nouns here. Yes, a pie, oven, and brothers. You can see the oven here and the pie here. तो इसमें हमारा preposition कौन सा होगा? Yes, in. ये बता रहा है कि pie किधर है? Oven में है. The guitar was lying against the dresser drawers. Which is the preposition in the sentence above? Guitar against lying dresser. Yes, against here. It's showing you the direction of the guitar. That it's lying against the what? Yes, here you can see the guitar here. Page number 34 of your textbook. Let's do the exercise of it. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition given below. These are the preposition. You have to choose the correct one and fill these blanks here. My little brother likes hide in his toy box. So here the toy box and brother, we have two nouns here. What will be the correct preposition here? My little brother likes hide in his toy box. So this one here, my little brother likes, yes, to hide in his toy box. Here we have two preposition, to, and in here in this one sentence. The ball rolled the table. जब टेबल आ जाएगा आपका तो क्या आ जाएगा? Yes, it would be what? The ball here. You can see. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Under the table. See, our new puppy likes to run. Yes, beside me. T, you have to wash your hands. Yes, this one here, before you eat. E, we went the bridge in our new car. We went on the bridge in our new car. The F here, yesterday the temperature was, yes, below 0. G here, I ran down the hill and rolled over the grass. If you read these sentences carefully, you will learn the use of prepositions here, proper use of preposition in these sentences. Like this sentence shows the temperature is below 0, over the grass, under the table, likes to hide, beside me, before, on. This is your home task from workbook. You have to read these lines and list the things of similar category below. You can take help from your mother also. Classroom. I am in class 1. My classroom is very beautiful. It has chairs and tables. There is a writing board in it. There is a clock on the wall. My teacher and I, my classmate, keep it nice. जितने भी अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स हैं आपने इसी सिमिलर कैटेगरी के वर्ड्स ढूंढ के आपने यहां पर लिखने हैं. जैसे अगर आपका क्लासरूम है तो इसका सिमिलर वर्ड क्या होगा? आपका डाइनिंग रूम होगा, आपका ड्राइंग रूम हो सकता है, आपका बेडरूम भी हो सकता है, या आपका स्टडी रूम भी हो सकता है. तो इसी तरह के सिमिलर जो है आपने वर्ड्स यहां पर लिखने हैं ब्लैंक्स में. एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक. यू हैव टू गिव इट अ रीड and identify preposition in this page here. आपने ये पढ़ना है और जो prepositions हमने डिस्कस किए आपने इन पैराग्राफ में preposition underline करने हैं. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.